Today I am continuing the chapter Indefinite Integration. I am taking the exercise 16.11 from R.D. Sharma book. Okay. See the question number 1 I am taking x by x to the power 4 plus a to the power 4 root over dx given. In this case you have to take let x square is equal to u. Now what is the derivative of x square? That will be 2x dx is equal to du. Now x dx will be how much? Du by 2. Just put the value of x dx means what? Du by 2, and this will be just write here x square whole square plus this will be a square whole square. Okay, I have taken x square as u and 1 by 2 will be outside du by see x to the power 4 means what? X square whole square. I have taken x square as u, this will be u square and this is a square whole square root over. Now 1 by 2, this is du by 2, I have taken 1 by 2 outside. What is the formula for this one? This is log u plus u square plus a to the power 4 root over plus c. This is the answer, but you have to put the value of u. What is u? That I have taken here x square means log x square plus u means what? X square whole square will be how much? X to the power 4 plus a to the power 4 root over plus. Okay, mod sign degree as the log given plus c. And this is the answer of number 1. See the question given x by x to the power 4 plus a to the power 4 root over. You have to take x square as u. What is the derivative? 2x dx equal to du. And 2 will be divided. Now put the value of x dx will be how? Du by 2. 1 by 2 will be taken outside. Du is there. X square means what? U square plus a square whole square. A4 giving root over. The formula is what? X square plus a square formula is root over log u means this one plus what is given here, that you have to write here. This is the formula, okay? Plus c, see the integration constant. And this is the answer of number 1. Let us go next number. See the question number 2 as for the exercise 16.11. Sec square x by 4 plus tan square x root over. Which one you have to take substitute? Let tan x equal to, this is dx given, okay? Let tan x is equal to u. What is the derivative of tan x? That is sec square x dx equal to du. Now you put the value of sec square x dx. Sec square x dx is what? That is du. 4 means what? 2 whole square. Tan square means tan means what? U. That is u square root over. Okay. What is the formula? That is log u plus what is written in the root over, that you write here. That is 4 plus u square mod plus c. Okay. Now put the value of u. Log what is u? That is tan x. That is tan x mod plus 4 plus that is u square means tan square x root over sign given. Okay. Plus c. And this is the answer of number 2. The formula I am applying here. See, I am writing the formula here. Integration dx by a square plus x square root over. The formula is what? Log x plus a square plus x square root over mod plus c. As you log you, you have to write mod sign. Okay. And this is the answer. Okay, number 2. Next, I am going to number 3. Just see the question number 3 I am taking from the exercise. E to the power x dx by 16 minus e to the power 2x root over. Okay. Which one I have to take substitute? Just to see. Let e to the power x, you have to take as u from here. Okay. This will be e to the power x dx, derivative of e to the x what? Same. That is du. Now you have to put here. Just try me to simplify here. E to the power x dx. This is the question given. And 16 means what? 4 whole square. This will be e to the 2x given, means e to the power x whole square. Okay. Now you substitute the value of e to the power x. What is that? This will be du, and this is 4 whole square minus u square root over. Now you know the formula of this. What is that? Sin inverse u by 4 plus c. What is sin inverse? U means what? U means e to the power x plus e to the x by 4 plus c. Okay, this is the answer. I am writing the formula here. Since integration dx by a square minus x square root over, this will be equal to sin inverse x by a plus c plus c. This is the sin inverse x by a dx by a square minus x square integration. The formula is sin inverse x by a. That formula applying here. Okay. Okay, this is the answer of number 3. Let us go number 4. See, question number 4. Question given cos x by 4 plus sin square x. Root over sin given. Okay. We can have to take substitute. Let, just should see here. Let sin x equal to u. What is the derivative of sin x? That is cos x dx equal to du. Okay. Now, just to see here, I am writing here. This is cos x dx by 4 means what? 2 whole square. This is sin x whole square. Root over sin given here. Okay. Integration sign cos x dx is what? Just put here. This is du and this is 2 whole square plus sin x is what? U. That is u square. Root over sin given. Now formula will be what? See here. A square plus x square root over sin given means log u plus total things to write here, that is 4 plus u square root over mod sin plus c. Now put the value of u here. What is u? U means sin x. Sin x plus sin 4 plus this is u square means sin square x root over. And this is the answer of number 4. Just to see very carefully. Question given cos x dx by 4 plus sin square x root over sin given here. You have to take let sin x as u. The derivative of sin x cos x dx equal to du. Just I have arranged here cos x dx and this is sin x whole square. This is 4 means 2 whole square. A square plus x square formula you have to apply here. Taking sin x as u, cos x dx is du. The formula is log u plus this total thing you have to write here with root over sin mod, because log given you have to take positive value. And this is the answer of number 4. I am going to number 5. Just see. See the question number 5. It is given cos x dx. Okay. Cos x dx by 4 minus sin square x. Root over sin given here. So let sin x equal to u. What is the derivative of sin x? That is cos x dx equal to du. Okay. Now just put here cos x dx means what? Du. This is 4 means 2 whole square. Sin square x means what? U square root over. This is the formula a square minus x square formula. What is the answer? This will be sin inverse x by x means your u by 2 plus c. Now put the value of u, that is sin inverse. What is u? That is sin x. Sin x by 2 plus c. This is the answer of number 5. Very carefully see the question, what is given, how I am taking, which one you have to substitute. Sin x as you have to substitute. The answer is coming sin inverse sin x by 2. Let us go number 6. See the question number 6 I have taken from the exercise. Dx by 1 minus x square whole into 9 plus sin inverse x whole square. I have given bracket here. Total root over sin given. Just to see how I'm modifying the question, this is like this. Dx by, see root over sign given, you have to write here separately 1 minus x square root over into 9 plus this sin inverse x whole square given. Keep it like this. Just to separate the root over, total root over given, I am writing here 1 minus x square root over into this root over. I have written here. Why I am writing here? Because I have to substitute the sin inverse x as u. Let sin inverse x equal to u. What is the derivative of sin inverse x? That is 1 by 1 minus x square root over dx equal to dx. This is the main reason I am separating the root over like this. Dx by 1 minus x square root over means what? This will be du. And this is nothing but 9 means 3 whole square. And this is sin inverse x means what? U square. The formula will be, what is that? Log u plus 9 plus u square root over. Mod sign given plus, and now put the value of u. What is u? U means sin inverse x. Just write here sin inverse x plus 9 plus this is sin inverse x whole square, root over sign given and whole mod given. This is the answer of number 6. Just to follow the question how it is given here. Very carefully see here, dx by 1 minus x square whole into 9 plus sin inverse x whole square. Total root over given. I have just separated here 1 minus x square root over and this one root over. I have written here. Then sin inverse x I am taking as u. So derivative of sin inverse is what? Dx by 1 minus x root over du. So putting the value of this one. Again I am getting the result. This one. Okay. This is the formula just I am writing here. Log u plus the total that I have written here, that you have written here. Okay. Now put the value of u here. This is the answer of number 6. And today this much. You have to complete the remaining part of this exercise. Next we will continue the next exercise. Thank you for today.